Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I know I haven't uploaded in a long time, but now I'm in a new game, and it's called Driving Simulator. And in this video, I just want to teach some few tricks and tips on how to get a lot of money in this game really quickly. So first, you would want to go to this downtown race. It's an easy race to do to get a lot of money, but you would need a decent car to do it. And if you want to get a decent car in order to win the races, I would recommend just driving around. Many people don't do this actually, but if you can just drive around for fun, and you can still make a decent amount of money. It's not as much as you would in the races, but you still get something. And the best place to probably drive around is on the bridge here, because it's just like an open area and it's easy to get money there. So let me just go to the bridge right now. Okay guys, so now I'm on the bridge, and see, if you just look, I'm making like $1 very quickly if you go fast here. And the bridge is the best spot to drive on because it gives you more money than normally driving. And then the other method is doing the around the world race. It's very fun, but again, you have to have a good car to win, and you can do that by doing the bridge. And if you get first place, you can get like 7K. And then the last one, it's really easy. If you just join the game, it gives like a daily award. And on the first day, you can get like 5,000. And on the last day, you can get 100,000. So that's really good. And then this joke method, you could just buy money with Robux, but I don't really recommend it when you can just drive around and do races, which is more fun. So, hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative, and see you guys next time. Bye.